Guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to another video. In this video today, I'm going to talk about how to choose the best ClickBank product to promote. And this is a timeless video. So whether you're watching it in 2018, 2019, 2020, or beyond, this video will apply to you as long as ClickBank is around. So I'm going to show you a 4-step process to picking the right ClickBank product from the start and really setting yourself up for success. So if you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. If you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a like, and let's go ahead and dive into this video. So I am somebody that is qualified to talk on the subject because I am currently promoting on ClickBank. I've actually done over $60,000 with the ClickBank marketplace this year, working part-time, which is pretty cool. And I just want to show you guys some results. So today is August 30th, the time of the creation of this video, and I've done $1,213.58 today, which was really cool to wake up to. For the week, over $1,479 so far. Then last week I did $1,552.98. And you can kind of see the results dating back to August 16th. Now, I haven't been doing a whole lot of promotion on ClickBank. I've been promoting on other affiliate networks as of right now. So you're seeing that my income, still looks pretty decent weekly, but not as high as it was back, a few months ago when I was really heavily promoting on this platform. So if I go to the reporting section, which is over here, and I click on paychecks, it's going to bring up this page right here. This is pretty cool. You guys can actually see this is all the proof that you need that will show you that I am in fact doing this for real. So they actually do pay out. I've done $60,436.22, and you can see all my payout amounts right here. So I've had payouts as high as right around $7,804. You can see when I really got started back on the 28th of February this year, $4,656. And you can see that some weeks are right around 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. But you can see it's pretty consistent throughout the year. So that's super cool. Wanted to show you guys that real quick, get you guys excited, get you guys stoked. And without further ado, let's show you guys exactly how to find a good product on ClickBank. So once you log into the marketplace, right? Once you log into your account, what you're going to want to do is go to the marketplace. So we were just over on the dashboard. We're going to want to go to the marketplace here, and you're going to want to follow this 4-step process right here. So number one, you want to pick popular products that show up on the first page of the results. Okay, so if I go to, for example, I'm promoting health and fitness products, you'll notice that this is already sorted by popularity. So Flat Belly Fix is a product that's really trending right now. It has a gravity of 133.89, solid product. So that's the first thing that you're going to want to look at. Make sure that the product is on the first page when it comes to sorting by popularity. The next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the gravity score is at least 50 or above. So I'd say at least 50 or above, right? And so what we're going to do now is we're going to jump over back to here, and we're going to scroll down. You can see that this product, of course, qualifies right here, 133. This product qualifies as well. This product qualifies as well. This does too, 75, 90, 205. Wow, that's pretty big there. 65, 56. So it looks like pretty much everything on the first page is in fact qualifying. 186 right here. So you can also sort by gravity if you want to as well. Typically, a product with a high gravity score is also going to mean that it's a popular product as well, not always. So you can feel free, there's really no right or wrong way whether you want to sort by popularity or gravity. I like to do popularity because if I know a product is popular and it has a high gravity, it's probably a new product and it's probably a hot product out there on the marketplace. Okay, so let me show you how to read the rest of this data real quickly. So let me zoom in right here. The first thing you can see is the average sell amount. So a lot of times people are going through what's called a funnel. the customers that are going through the sales process might purchase not just one product, but multiple products inside the funnel. So the front end product might be, $100. And then there'll be another product they'll be introduced to. Maybe it's an upsell for like $50. That's where you're kind of getting this average sell amount here. And then you can see in the stats section, the initial sell amount, which is $36.61. So you are guaranteed to make $34.61 on the front end. You can see that both of these numbers match, which it tells me that they're only selling one product here from what I'm seeing. And then you're also able to see that you get 78% commissions on average throughout the whole entire funnel. Okay, and then this is the average rebill total, which is 0. So there's no continuity program with this product. So you're not going to get paid on a monthly basis as an affiliate. And you got the average rebill. Of course, that's 1% or 0 because there's no, once again, a continuity program. And then you got the gravity right here. Okay. So those are really the categories that you want to pay attention to. And then lastly, you want to pay attention to the affiliate page right here, and also taking note of the JV email. This is the email where you can send them questions, comments that relate to the product to help you better sell the product. It's kind of like an affiliate manager that you can get access to right here. So what I'm going to do now is, now that we've gone through number 1 and number 2, we want to go through number 3. We want to ensure that there's great promotional materials. Okay, so I'm going to open this up right here, and we're going to see if the promotional materials that this Alpha Nation has is of quality. So we were looking at the Flat Belly Fix, right, which is this product here. Let me see if it'll let me click on it. Looks like it doesn't. It looks like it just hosts all their products right here. And I'm going to go to products, and then I'm going to go down and find this Flat Belly Fix. And I'm going to, we'll click no thanks here. I'm going to click learn more. Okay, so this is the VSL. It's sending up straight to the sales letter there. I want to see the marketing materials. And I'm guessing what I need to do is probably log in to get access to the marketing materials. So I'm going to go back once again. We're on the affiliate page right here. And I'm not seeing a lot of tools and resources and swipes that they're giving us to help us market this product better. And I believe if I go to member login, this isn't for affiliates, but it's actually for customers. So I'm not liking that. It's showing right here on ClickBank. Let me see if we can go back here just a bit. It's showing here on ClickBank that it's got a gravity of 133. So the VSL, the virtual sales letter, sells really well. But as our quality promotional materials, I'm not seeing anything other than, okay, there's email swipes. I didn't see that. So we've got email swipes right here. But that's to the extent of what we have as affiliates to use to promote this product. Now, it would be nicer if it showed us what traffic source they were using and how well that traffic source was converting. That would be huge. So if they could show us and walk us through start to finish on how to promote this product, what traffic source to use, what images to use, banners to use, email swipes, everything in between, then that would be super useful. But this really doesn't have all that stuff. So if you already have an audience, this is definitely a product that, you could probably promote, make some good money from. But if you're starting from scratch as an affiliate, it doesn't have a whole lot of promotional materials or training to help you promote this. Okay, so we want a product that has everything that we need, whether we're a newbie or a veteran, to help us succeed. The more information we can have about the program, the better for us. So that's going to lead us into the next section. We want there to be a great JV manager. Remember this email that I was talking about right here? We go. Right here. The service at theflatbellyfix.com. We want to email these affiliate managers. Okay. We don't just want to grab, click the promote button and then create our link and just take this link and start promoting. We don't want to do that yet. We want to make sure we do our thorough research so we know the strategy of exactly step-by-step how we're going to promote this. So what we do is we email, for example, service@theflatbellyfix.com, and we ask them a series of questions. Okay, so we want to pick a great JV manager. We want to email them, of course, have them answer the following 10 questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up this separate PDF I got here, and this covers the 10 questions to ask any vendor to help you skyrocket your success. Okay, so I will provide this in the resources section below as text, just in the description. If you want to write these down, you can feel free to do that. So this is what we want to send to the JV manager. Number one, what traffic source are your top affiliates doing best with? Okay, we want to know this so we can dive into the same traffic source and sort of model the successful affiliates that are promoting this same product. You know, Tony Robbins said, why try to reinvent the wheel when you can just model what's working? And that's all I've done throughout the past 5 years in my online marketing career successfully, is just modeling what other people are doing successfully. Not copying, but modeling, you know, taking the framework of what they're doing and applying it into my own business. So number two is, how much success are your affiliates having with Facebook ads, YouTube, and solo ads? Okay, and then number three, what exactly are they doing? Can you elaborate? So we're digging deeper. We're sort of chunking down. We want to sort of get down to the details of what ads are they using? What does the ad look like? Is it an ad on Facebook? What does the headline look like? What are the graphics like? What's the funnel look like? What's the sales process? We will pretty much want to look at their whole entire sales process, from even the point of the beginning stages where we're figuring out the avatar and exactly the targeting interests that these affiliates are targeting. Are they targeting men that are 18 to, 32? Are they targeting people that have a certain income level? Is it male? Is it female? Are you targeting United States? Are you targeting people that are IT professionals? Are you targeting people that are, real estate agents, people that have a gym, that own a gym? I was going to say have a gym membership or own a gym, right? So you want to ask as many questions that you can to help you get more clarity on what's working for their top affiliates. Okay, so again, can you explain to me how your top affiliates are promoting? And are your affiliates having success scaling big with your offer? Okay, so that's number 4. Number 5. Number 6 is, do you know what demographics and targeting is working on Facebook, YouTube, or solo ads to your audience? So this is the big question that I just talked about. Who exactly are they marketing to? Because you can pick a great product, but target the wrong interest group, target the wrong group of people, and your campaign could lose. So this is crucial. Number 6 is one of the most important. So here's an example, for Facebook ads. Are people doing better with mobile news feed ads, desktop news feed ads, or desktop right column ads? To get more specific with that specific traffic source. Number 7, can you share a sample ad from one of your top affiliates? You see, can you share a sample landing page? Show the sales process. Do you offer pay bumps? This is big, because if you're a producer for a specific affiliate offer, they can offer you a pay bump where you might be getting 60% commission, but because you're such a producer and an asset for them, they can give you up to 90% commission, which is awesome. So if so, how do I qualify? And number 10 is, after seeing your top affiliates promote your offer, what can you tell me that will help me promote your offer on Facebook or whatever ad platform you wish to promote on? So ask all these questions 1 to 10, and I've actually done it with a few vendors out there. And what I also want to show you is what a good JV page looks like, as far as the affiliate materials that they'll offer you. I want to show you what a good JV page is going to sort of entail. So let me jump over and let me show you a good example. So if I go back here and let's get out of health and fitness, let's go to e-business and e-marketing. And let's go ahead and go to Super Affiliate System, John Crestani. Now, not every JV manager is going to email you back. Okay? They're not all going to answer those 10 questions. That might tell you, maybe this is an offer I shouldn't promote, especially if you're promoting it blindly without knowing what's working, what's not working. Okay? So what I love about John Crestani's JV page is he shows you Facebook ads that are working, YouTube ads that are working. He's pretty much answered all these 10 questions that I just had pulled up automatically within his JV page. And so this is an example page that has good material for like a newbie or even seasoned veteran that wants to know more specific information. So this shows all the results, and then the more I scroll down, sorry, my computer's loading a little slow. You got testimonials you can use. So you can use all these little swipes. See all these pictures? You guys can actually use these in your marketing. And John shows you exactly how to do that. So I don't want to bore you by going through all this, but this is just a great example of, email swipes right here. This is a great example of a JV page that answers a large percentage of those questions. So if I go back all the way to the top here, you can easily access each of these by clicking each of these buttons too as well. So that's pretty much it, you guys. That's the 4 steps to choosing the best ClickBank product to promote here and in the future. If you got value from this video, let me know by going ahead and commenting below. Let me know that, hey, you got value. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a 100 emoji, whatever it is. Shoot it straight to me. And also, if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, no stone left unturned, you want everything covered in detail from choosing a product to, leveraging traffic, which traffic source to leverage, and how to exactly start driving traffic through what's called a funnel, and then have that funnel automatically sell a product for you, and then follow up with those people. I've got a program, my top recommended system below, that will cover that in complete detail. Go ahead and check it out. Again, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already by clicking that nice big red button below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.